How you doing, little sexy nigga? Huh? I gotta take a shit anyway. What's going on, guys? Oh, I got the AC on. Huh? The AC. Today's gonna be pretty interesting. Me and Adhemar are gonna be going window shopping. Hint, hint, window. Looking through a window. You ain't getting nothing because all you're doing is looking. But yeah, so we're gonna go to IKEA. We're gonna look at some crazy good couches for our studio because we're gonna be making a studio pretty soon. Just looking, you know, just walking around, chilling and shit. But I'll get you guys in with that. Wow. Alright. We're here. Ooh. Oh, ooh, butterfly. What? You said what? This always hurts my ears. Let's see if it hurts you guys. You guys ready?
Put it right next to you.
What?
Put it right next to you.
What did you say?
Put it right next to you.
He's not a savage. Oh, fuck!
Is it?
No.
It's a fucking bottom one?
Yes. Dude, this is tight. It's a set.
No way. That bitch said, you need to smack that bitch. That's what I said. Honey, is this dinner ready? How bad?
Boom. 800. What? Oh, this is comfortable. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this table. We need to get this table. I like it. If it was carbon though, I'm like,
oh my gosh.
Hey, that's all it is. It's just glass over it. It just makes it glossy.
149?
It's a nice ass table.
That's a lot, man.
Dang, we could drink, dude.
What?
We could drink. Nah, I don't drink. He just wants to copy me.
What?
He wants to copy me. He wants to be just like me. Oh, this is what's gonna happen. Earthquake. All bad. Hello? Hello? Oh shit, people are looking at me. That's good. Look at his face. I'm zooming in on his face.
He's like looking at you still.
He is looking at me. Yeah, that's all. Looks pretty nice. Let's see those chairs over there. Oh, this looks pretty tight. Looks pretty tight. Where'd he go? I guess. That's pretty tight though. Whoa, you scared me. What's that? We're in the beds. Ooh, that is a big ass bed. What is that? A queen? Full? Twin? Yeah. Honestly, I feel like I'd be too long for this.
I think it's a king that's fucking compressed.
That's what she said. Ooh. How you doing, little sexy nigga? Huh? Oh, I gotta take a shit anyway. Oh well.
In the shower.
Whatever. focus on the camera. What? That's it?
What is that?
I don't know. Imagine, like, see that transition though? Oh, the mirrors, huh? Or closet. They do have one. Well, they don't have like a mirror room, but they have like a whole hallway of mirrors and shit. No. 1738. Huh? Ooh, I see. You said what did you just say? Who does? Oh shit.
Oh my god, top of his head.
Look at maybe you need to know about IKEA's, man. Yeah. Two hot dog combo. Think about IKEA, guys. Yeah. They got the best prices on food. Look at this. $1, $95 cents. I'm glad. Can you get the other thing?
So you only ordered one? Here.
Wait.
When I asked you, it's okay, I'll give it to you. But when I asked you if you wanted to see the company, you said I can only play the game. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah. She helped you out, man. Ah. I got a camera on my hand, sorry. It's over here, forgot. She was tripping. It's all good. Alright, so we have reached the end, guys. Look at this elevator, got the clothes on it. But it was pretty cool today. We found a couple couches that we're interested in. Probably the first one that you guys saw, but it was a pretty interesting vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're in the parking garage right now. To be honest, guys, IKEA has a big ass parking lot. But oh my god, where did he go?